Hi everyone. In today's video, I'll be talking about Google Ad Transparency tool. Before we start about what is Google Ad Transparency tool, first let's understand what this tool is all about and how it is beneficial for you. So, this tool is really helpful if you want to spy on your competitor website or app, or if you want to understand which agency is running their ads. So, if you are planning to get your work done or you want to start with the agency, you can see their see their work, like what kind of ad or what kind of clients they have, right? So, let's start. So now I have landed on this page, Google Ad Transparency Center. And because currently I'm in India, so it's shown in India. Otherwise, you can search for this for any country. Just click on your country and you can search. Okay, so now let's see. I want to search for Mintra, right? So I'll type Mintra.com, and here all the results, all the search results, all the ads that Mintra is running, I can see, right? And also I can see what agency or the company is running their ads. So like Myntra, it seems like their own in-house agency or team, right? Here we can filter the results by platform. So let's say I want to check Myntra is running ads on Google Map. So yeah, they are running ads on local ads, right? But this ad was last shown in 23rd December 2024. So I believe they are not currently running this ad. Otherwise, you can have a sense of what kind of local ads they were running in Google Maps. So, right now, go back and let's say I click on Google Shopping. So, these are the ads they are running on Google Shopping, right? So, if you click on this, you will see like it's the latest one. It is showing today only, right? 21st May. Today is 21st May 25. So it looks like a product listing ad, Google Shopping product listing ad, right? So this way you can see the results by platform. Also you can see by format, like what are the formats they are using. So let's say I'm checking video ads. So this kind of campaign they are running on multiple platforms. These are the video results. So just click on this. It's a UAC app install campaign, right? Now let's try to play this. Right, because it's a video ad. Similarly, we can search for, let's say, what kind of image ads they are running. Now these are the image ads because these are the PLAs. So these falls under the image category, right? Similarly, let's check for another company. Let's say pantaloons. These are their image ads. Now in this case, we can see, okay, Amazon, sorry, pantaloons is working with Convoxic, and they're also working with the Logic Serve and this kind of results they are running. Let's say, It's their app download campaign. So you can follow this tool and to understand what all or what type of ads your competitor is running. So if you are an e-commerce industry, you can check out for Myntra, Amazon, what kind of ad copy they are running, right? And what are the formats they are running, right? So if another example I'll take for, let's say, netflix.com. All these are from Netflix entertainment service, right? So if I click on Google Maps, no result found, because it makes sense. Or I mean, like Netflix is a OTT platform, right? So it doesn't make any sense to run any kind of Google Maps ad because they are not they don't have any physical store, right? Similarly, we can say Google Shopping. So Netflix is not running Google Shopping ads because they are not uh, selling any product, right? And Google Play. So yeah, they are not even running ads on Google Play. And let's say we search for YouTube. Yes, they are running ads on YouTube. Because for this business, it makes sense to promote their shows or movies through video format. So it makes sense YouTube is a primary channel for them. And these are the promos of their new shows. It looks like. Let me check. Yeah. It's their new show, Jewel Thief, so they are promoting it, and it was last shown on 11 May. So this way you can spy on your competitors, you can check what kind of clients your agency has or what kind of ads they are running. Similarly, you can search for, let's say one more time, G group. Let's say I search for any agency, Vibrant Media. I think I'm typing something. No, no, no. An agency name, let's say. It looks like in-house team only. I'm searching for any agency name. Agency name. Ad left. Yeah, here it is ad left. So let's click on agency name, and here we can see like ad lift is working for Mederma. Ad lift is working with the what else? Snitch, and they also have feed.com .co.in. So this way you can search or spy all about your competitors or the agency you are working with, what kind of client they have, right? So I hope I have covered all these things. Like you can filter by platform, you can filter by art types. Yes. Hope this helps. Thank you. Bye bye.